Hey guys, Janisha Fox are here. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, as you guys can tell, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make vanilla cake. And I'm so excited to be showing you guys this because it was so fun to do, it's so easy, and it's very, very delicious. So when I added the butter and sugar together, I started using a hand mixer, and I made sure that they mixed together very well before I put it down. So after I use the hand mixer, I used the silicone spatula and I just mashed up the butter and sugar together. After you mash up the butter and sugar, then you're going to add the 2 large white eggs. When you are done mixing in the eggs, then you're going to add the vanilla extract. Next, you're going to take your flour and your baking powder, then you're going to mix them together. And don't ask why I have the flour inside of a blender. Once you are done mixing in the baking powder and flour, then you're going to add that mix into the... Yeah, that was by an accident. I don't know why I did that. I should have taken it out instead of just pouring the whole entire thing. But then, yeah, you just add the flour mixture into the eggs. Then you're going to want to add the milk into the rest of the mixture. Next, you're going to want to pour the cake mixture inside of a pan. Only put half of it. Then you're going to place the pan inside of the oven once it's done preheating on 350 degrees. Once your cake is done, then you're going to take it out. Then you're going to place it on a cooling rack. Right here, I had some trouble doing that because it was like a bit too slippery when I had the mittens on. It still came out good, but it was like very slippery. Then you're going to repeat the same steps with the other half of the cake. thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications. Share this video with your friends and family, and comment down below if you guys like the videos like this.